Hello my lovelies, and welcome to the heart of my home, the spring garden. You'll find rhubarb is flourishing at this time of year. Not only does the sour flavour of the rhubarb really support liver health and the cleansing cycle, it has other health benefits which you can read about more in my blog. I'm going to show you how you can take rhubarb from the garden and onto your plate by making some delicious rhubarb compote, which you can eat either for breakfast or as a dessert. Let me show you how. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. So this is a 2-in-1 recipe using our very own garden rhubarb, especially at this time of year. The first recipe is just a very simple rhubarb compote, and what we're going to be using for that is a bit of homemade date syrup, which is fresh dates and hot water, allowed to stew for a while, mixed up, and it's as simple as that, with a little bit of lemon. And then for the rhubarb and apple pie, we are going to be using the rhubarb apple. Any apple will do. I prefer the Pink Lady or the Brabants, just for a little bit of sweetness. And then my homemade granola as a topping. If you haven't seen that recipe, just follow the link above. So let me show you how to get these ingredients together.
Let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on, said babe. I said babe. Oh honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it, yeah. You gotta move along. You gotta feel it.
Now, she has rolled out the rhubarb apple dessert here. Now, I'm not a big dessert fan. I love the avocado chocolate mousse. That's one of my main go-tos. And to be honest with you, I've never been a fan of rhubarb until now. This is how you should have it. Freshly picked from the garden to the table, to the oven, straight into my belly. And that's the best place for it to be. So let me taste this rhubarb. As I said, never been a fan of rhubarb. Wow, that is lovely. She's got a bit of tasty granola here. You can check our recipe out also by clicking the link above. Let's go and let's have another dive into the rhubarb. Oh, I think I'm going to have that rhubarb on literally everything. But I'm going to make sure it's seasonally fresh, picked in the springtime, because that's when it's best to eat.